Hi everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to another edition of Stouch's Special Foods of the World. Today we've got some really special hosts with us. We've got Dan and his fiancée Aurora, all the way here in Thornlands. G'day Dan.
G'day mates, bienvenue, Maison de Valkenburg. This is my fiancée Aurore, who's originally from France.
Bonjour. What do you mean?
No, that's it. Thanks so much for the warm welcome, guys. We've so far had some great appetizers. Can you walk us through what we had earlier?
So we had some bread and some pate that is from pork, and next we'll have beef bourguignon.
Yeah, awesome. So if you haven't guessed it already, tonight's theme is French cuisine. Aurora, maybe you want to tell us a little bit about where you're from originally and some of the inspiration you've had for tonight's dishes.
So I'm from southwest of France, but my dad is from Burgundy, so that's why the dish is from. It's very winter dishes. It's quite heavy, but very yummy.
Yeah, awesome. We're looking forward to it. Alright, so time for the awesome reveal for our main course tonight, the beef bourguignon. I'm still trying to get used to saying that. Alright, Aurora, please do the honors and let's reveal it.
Have a look. It's going very well though.
Yeah, awesome. Let's see this. Wow, look at that color. Incredible.
A lot of butter, Ben. A lot
Yeah.
of butter, that's the secret.
Yeah, the butter is the secret. So tell us, how did we get to this point and how long did it all take?
So I start with the bacon, stir it, then the beef, and just a lot of love and chopped onion, carrots. Then you have to be very patient. That's the key, the patience.
Yeah, something that I think Dan knows a lot about. What did you do to help prepare with this, Dan?
Well, I was entrusted with the hardest job, Ben, because I'm quite the chef, but people don't know that about me. So I was in charge of peeling the potatoes.
We need potatoes.
We do.
So, Aurora, how long did this take? How long did it need to be in the oven?
About 2 to 3 hours. We need in the oven. I just prep my mushroom that you just see over here with some butter and garlic as well. I'm going to add it to my dish and leave it another 30 minutes in the oven. Yeah, let's do it. Don't be scared of your cholesterol tonight. I'm so sorry.
Come check this out from this side. Wow. Look at the flavors and all the colors.
Oh, good. Let's put it back for another half an hour.
Yeah, like how long have you been living in Australia for?
Is it recording?
Actually, yeah. So Aurora, I've seen you put a lot of
Butter.
in this. Yeah,
Butter is life.
Butter is life.
Butter is the key of everything.
Yeah, look at those mashed potatoes coming up. So speaking of life,
Yeah.
how long have you been living here in Australia?
9 years. Yeah, it's going to. Yeah, it's a bit of time, right?
Yeah, no, definitely some time to enjoy it and to experience, local flavors versus French flavors. Tell us what you think are, some of the big key differences between French cuisine, Australian cuisine.
I really like my French food. And I try to replicate. How do you say?
Replicate?
Yeah, replicate, sorry.
That's alright.
Here in Australia, it's a bit hard because I cannot find all the ingredients, but hopefully now. But I got my family to send me some parcel every few months, so I'm really lucky that they can bring me some flavor here in Australia, and I can put this all together. Not the potatoes, obviously, but
No, that would be delicious. No,
yeah.
thank you, Australian Customs, for letting us use some of my French ingredients to that. No, that's great. And maybe you can also tell us about some, memories in the past that you've had with, bringing people together at home, and was a family meal really important to your household?
So when we are going to my grandmother, all my cousin, mum and aunties, uncles were coming on the Sunday, and I've been here in Australia. You love your roast Sunday. Hers is really, it's what we are going to have is beef bourguignon, entree, first with pate, and usually it's homemade. So grandma, made it all. Then after we have all the meat. We can have a lot of vegetable from the garden as well. Mashed potatoes. Then we will have cheese, obviously. Otherwise, it will be a French dinner, right?
Cheese, yeah.
And we will have dessert as well. So yeah, that's all the Sunday dinner at grandma. Yeah.
Thanks for welcoming us into your wonderful home.
Happy to be here. It's it's amazing to finally have guests and people to hear about.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Ben, let me get you a seat. Let me get you a seat.
No.
We'll
sit down.
Oh man, we're just chilling out, just talking about how you guys finally moved in, and just so happy to have.
I love the place, huh?
So
really
family.
cool. Yeah, it's got the Frenchness to it. Yeah. Can't be you, man. Can't be you.
Oh, you'd be surprised actually. I'll push for that a bit. Like, if you're gonna have a French fiance, like, why not go all out?
Oh yeah. Shit, boy.
Speaking of French fiance, I'm surprised you're not double your size there. The amount of food and the wonderful food that you've got to be offered every day.
To be honest, I'm growing, man. Luckily there's a gym here, so I worked that out, but I'm pretty spoiled. So.
We don't see it yet, man. We don't see it yet. So
it's a little
really
thing too, like it's a whiz-bang coffee machine that I don't know how to work over there. Guys out there, I am spoiled. I wake up every morning and there's a coffee next to the bedside table waiting for me.
Wow,
so,
that's good.
Yeah, you can't take those things for granted, right?
Everything made with love in this household.
Yeah,
good.
You had a trip to France.
Yeah, so I went and met my soon-to-be in-laws late last year. And that's right out in southern France, right out in the sticks, like we say in Australia. It's very country, very rural, so it was awesome to get amongst it with the real France, they say. So, don't speak a word of French, working on that, Duolingo, but Wolf had to translate for me a fair bit. And I talked to my soon-to-be mother-in-law over the phone using translator apps, but kindness is universal, man. You don't really need English or French just to be kind and warm to each other. The hospitality was amazing.
How about the food?
Yeah.
We all know it's a bit of a, it's what France is known for, right? Their sort of culinary culture, but it is on another level over there. Like, I'm a cheese guy, they call it fromage. After, we always have a bit of cheese as an entree when we go to friends' houses and all that. It's a full-blown meal over there, and it comes out right after the main course.
Nice. Wow.
You learn really quickly. Don't go too hard on the main course because you got to fit the fromage and cheese afterwards.
Yeah.
My last 2 nights, I knew I was coming back to Australia, and we have good cheeses here and there, but the variety over there is just next level. So I want to get it as much as I could. So I was having a little cheese for the next month.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Layer upon layer of goodness.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again.
Good, man.
So cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
Mate.